What's up everyone? Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Today we're going to be taking a look at Harmony One and its recent price action, along with some talk about news and fundamentals, and with the price prediction for the short and the long term as well. Before we begin, we'd just like to say thank you so much to everyone for their continued support, the likes and subscribers, Patreon and YouTube members, and all your amazing comments and sharing. We appreciate you all so much at the channel, and we've been growing incredibly fast recently, so thank you to all of you. Our community has been growing amazingly well, and it's all down to you guys, so thank you so much. If you want to support the channel, please like and subscribe so you don't miss any videos, and turn on bell notifications as well. We're posting 4 videos per day, so come back every day for daily updates and analysis. In any instance, you can sign up to our free Telegram via the description as well. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. So as we can see, since the start of the year, Harmony One is a project which has been performing exceptionally well. If we go back to the 1st of January here and look at the price action since then to the all-time high, it's around a 5,000% increase, which is absolutely insane. It's ran from around half a cent here all the way to around 22.5 cents, which is a massive gain. That is around a 50x, I believe. Even more than a 50x. But it seems like Harmony One is a project that has been performing very well this year. Obviously, we've seen a large correction here to the downside. Obviously, as we can see here, there was quite a large descending triangle, as we can see. And Harmony One basically broke to the downside after it ran all the way up here in around the late March time. And since then, it was correcting quite significantly. I think there were delays to updates on the network, which led to a bit of a sell-off. And then obviously, it was ranging in this between 12 cent and 18 cent range, as we can see here, for a few weeks. Obviously, we had the market sell-off where we saw another descending wedge here. We got a nice double bottom and a nice recovery for Harmony One. It came back into these levels that we're seeing here. But then obviously another sell-off in the market did see us have another double bottom. And then since then, the price action has been recovering again to the upside, but it is bouncing off of this bull flag that we have been outlining here. It does seem as though the price action is struggling to break out of this area here. But considering the altcoin season is just around the corner, I think Bitcoin dominance is currently below 40% for the first time, which is absolutely insane. Obviously, we're seeing all kinds of altcoins, smart contract platforms similar to Harmony One, such as Cardano and Polkadot, are pumping in the past few days. And it does seem as though Harmony One is following suit. Obviously, it's still up massively from the start of the year, but we're currently still down around 38 to 40% from the all-time high. So we would like to see Harmony One pushing for some upwards price action in the near term. It seems very likely to us that this is a project that is going to perform exceptionally well this year still. It's got a ton of adoption coming. There seems to be more and more bullish news coming out about it all the time. And I believe its market cap currently is around 1 billion. So there's still a massive amount of potential for it to grow. It could potentially 10, 20, 50, maybe even 100x, depending on the amount of adoption that it gets in the next few months. Obviously, it's very likely that we're going to see a huge pump. A huge pump for most smart contract platforms, probably in tandem with Cardano and Polkadot releasing their smart contract mainnets. And we do think that even though some market share may come away from these other smart contract platforms, it's important to remember that basically it's going to be a complementary competition in our opinion, and most smart contract platforms are going to see a boost in their price as a result. And also with altcoin season coming, these options which have much smaller market caps may be an investment that some investors look at potential for having more gains than the bigger contract platforms, because as we can see, Cardano's market cap is already 60-70 billion. I think Polkadot's is around 40 billion. Ethereum is obviously in the realms of 400 billion. So it's very likely that the Harmony has got much more chance of running more multiples than these bigger smart contract platforms. Just because they're so big now, it takes a lot more money and price action and market cap to move the overall price up. So we are bullish on Harmony One on this channel. It is something that we've been looking at for a long time, and it does seem to have been performing very well this year. Obviously, recently the price action has been seemingly crushed, but it does seem as though it's on the upside again now. And this bull flag we would consider very bullish. As we can see, it's quite clearly coiling inside of this bull flag, and if we come back and retest down to the downside here on the bottom of the bull flag, come back up, we want to see it breaking out of this bull flag really and heading to the upside. If we can get a break of structure and head up maybe to this level here, come back and retest a higher low at around this level of around 12 to 13 cents and then head to the upside, we can imagine that with altcoin season looming that Harmony One could come back up and retest its around 22-cent all-time high here. It will most likely come back and retest some of the structure in this area here at around 18 to 20 cents. But we do think once that's the case, we could easily see Harmony One really starting to move. Obviously, as we can see, it ran from around half a cent all the way to 22 cents in the space of a few months. So it wouldn't be unlikely that Harmony One could do something similar again and head to the 40 to 50 cent range in the next few months. And then beyond that, with altcoin season also looming, we wouldn't be surprised to see Harmony One heading to $1, $2, maybe even $3 in the next few months, depending on how much of a pump that it gets. Obviously, with its market cap being considerably smaller than other smart contract platforms, it's a lot easier for it to run up. And then our price prediction for the long term for Harmony One, we do think that this could easily hit $10, maybe even $20. There is a lot of competition for smart contract platforms, but as we've seen, other smart contract platforms such as Polygon, which is a layer 2 solution for Ethereum, Cardano and Polkadot have all been pumping recently, and with altcoin season just around the corner, we do think that Harmony One, being as good of a project as it is, has a good amount of potential to run this year. So that's our price prediction for Harmony One today, guys. We'd like to thank everyone for watching. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, please let us know down in the comment section below. Also, make sure to hit the like button as it helps the channel out so much. So if you're a fan of the channel, please hit the like button now. Currently, only around 10% of our viewers are subbed, and we'd love to see our community continue to grow more, so please hit the big red subscribe button. If you'd like to support the channel more directly, please sign up to our Patreon via the link in the description below, or sign up to YouTube membership by hitting the join button right next to the sub below this video, where you can get access to our private Discord. We're going to be offering a host of additional benefits, including coin calls, and the higher tiers gain one-to-one access to us personally, as well as a look at our personal portfolio, our daily research of cryptos with massive potential, not to mention a 100x portfolio that we're currently constructing. So please take advantage of that there. Don't forget to get 2 free stocks with Webull by depositing $100 using the link in the description below. You can quite literally deposit the $100, get your 2 free stocks, and then withdraw the money. So there's no reason not to do that, and they could be valued all the way up to $1,600 each. You can also sign up to our free Telegram via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.